Let's play a quick game. Can you spot the 6 garden tools that are in plain sight? I'm constantly losing my gardening tools, and so I figured out an easy hack. Here's an example of gardening tools at my local hardware store. The problem is that gardening tools are designed, manufactured, and marketed by people who probably have never gardened. These people like to color the handles with dark colors such as black, brown, or green. Dark colors tend to easily get lost when you set them down. I'm going to solve this problem by spray painting my tool handles. The question is, what is the best color? As mentioned, green, black, and brown all blend in with the ground, and so we'll discount these colors immediately. Red probably isn't a good color, given it's associated with errors and accidents. Yellow attracts bugs, is jarring, and is used for warning signs and caution or danger. It also tends to look dirty with wear. Purple isn't a great option either because it can be difficult to see at dawn or dusk. This leaves us with blue, in particular sky blue. When you look down at the ground, you don't expect to see the sky, so it's very visible. Blue is also a psychologically calming color. There are some manufacturers that have figured out that blue is the best color. These drip line puncture tools by Dig are an example. Thanks for watching. Check out Vegetronix.com for cool gardening gadgets and ideas.